Most times when we talk about or hear about data analyst, we always think that this is what the data analyst is: Excel, SQL, Power BI, whatever tools that they use. That's what we call a data analyst. But these are what we call your tech stack, right? When we talk about tech stack, we mean all the technological tools that you use. So Excel is very, very important for every data analyst. And the concepts you must understand are your pivot tables, XLOOKUP. There are a lot of host of other things that I couldn't crunch into this slide. But these three are very fundamental. Understanding pivot table, understanding XLOOKUP, because XLOOKUP covers for a whole lot of other functions. There are 1,001 functions, right? And Power Query. Power Query basically helps you in your ETL process. When we talk about ETL process, we're talking about extraction, transformation, and loading of data. And SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Basically, it's the language of database. Every time you hear the word database, SQL is somehow involved, right? SQL is like how you speak to your data container to extract, to impute information, right? So you need to learn this foundational concept. Then the third thing is a visualization tool. A visualization tool like Power BI, it could be Power BI, it could be Tableau. Then some people would love to also add a bit of coding, that's for statistics, using tools like Python. But these three I feel are like the fundamentals, because especially working in Nigeria, few companies actually involve the use of Python in their data analytics.